I'm Lindsay Adler, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I use grids to create controlled pockets of light in a fashion shoot. Grids are used to narrow the spread of light. I can carefully place a concentration of light just on the face, or just on the background, or wherever I need more illumination. Here's a scene with a single light source. And now I create depth by using multiple lights and grids. For this shoot, I'll be using Profoto's extremely portable B10 Plus and OCF II Grids. I begin with a 10-degree grid on the face, creating a tight area of light. Next, I add a 30-degree grid pointed at the background behind my subject to create a beautiful gradient of light and separation. Finally, I add a third light with no modifier at all to control the fill in the shadow areas. Instead of covering the entire image with light in a single light source, I carefully place beams of light just where I need them. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out profoto.com for more information about the gear used in this shoot.